Welcome. This is going to be a video covering 5 of the more premium oil filters and a comparison between each one and my thoughts. I've taken apart 15 oil filters on my channel so far. I have all sorts of kind of interesting information when it comes to different types of oil filters, whether it's an economy, standard, or a more premium filter like you see here. So I chose 5 of the more premium synthetic rated oil filters. These are all for like 10, 15, and 20,000 mile rating. And I've noticed some differences, but overall they are like very similar, okay? So some of the differences I've noticed, first of all, I'm going to say that these are indeed for the same exact application and engine, okay? So you can notice that like there's quite a bit of difference in size. So this one right here, the Mobile One being the smallest, compared to the rest. You have the AC Delco here, which is slightly longer. The WIX and the Fram are very similar in size, but I'm going to say the biggest one dimensionally is going to be the WIX XP, okay? The Bosch is kind of second up from the Mobile One in size. It's the second smallest. Then I'm going to say the AC Delco, then the Fram, and then the biggest one is going to be XP, the WIX XP. And something I noticed is that only 3 of these are fully metal. And what I mean by is the bypass valve, the end caps, all the internal components and everything here besides the seals. So we have the Mobile One, the Bosch, and the WIX. The Mobile One and the WIX are literally the exact same filter besides a dimensional difference. So smaller filter, bigger filter. But if you look at here, they got the exact same bypass valve, okay? So the bypass valve is in case the oil filter media clogs up to the point where it has to bypass oil flow through the filter and not filter. It's a very bad situation to be in, but that's what the bypass valve is for. They have the exact same bypass valve and it's all metal. It has this like unique flat coil spring that's very stiff, okay? Very, very stiff, which would mean that it triggers off at different, oil PSI rating, okay? There's some on here like the Fram and the AC Delco. They have a different style bypass valve, okay? Very easy to operate with my finger. I cannot do that with the WIX or the Mobile One. I just have to use a punch or a tool to press it down. So same thing with the Fram. So that means it'll be triggered off at a lower PSI. So this can clog up to a certain extent, and then this is going to take over and just flow oil through the filter in an emergency, okay? That's going to be more difficult to do when you have this stiffer spring on the bypass valve. So that's one thing, all metal construction on the Bosch, WIX, and Mobile One, but this design contributes to a stiffer spring when you have the bypass valve internally as, in reference to a external bypass valve like you have here, where it's all the spring and plunger and sealing face are basically majority of it's exterior versus interior, okay, like this one here, like on this Bosch, okay? So the more premium filters are going to be obviously synthetic filter media, which is going to filter better and longer and keep your oil cleaner. There are some dimensional differences, so whether that aids to the flow aspect of it, I don't know. I'm not doing a flow bench test or anything like that on these filter medias. I'm just doing a basic rundown and kind of showing you guys firsthand what these things look like without any oil in them in their brand new state. But I will say, like I said, these 2 bypass valves are exactly the same. The AC Delco and the Fram, okay? These right here, these 3 right here, very similar design. They all got an internal bypass, but yet they have all metal design, okay? I'm gonna put them up right so you can see them. These are the only all metal ones. They come with this this is basically a spring-loaded leaf spring that puts pressure on the whole assembly to create a seal on the anti-drain back valve, which is this flapper here. This basically prevents oil from draining back because it shuts off the inlet holes on the base plate here, okay? It's just a passive check valve, basically, and you need some pressure on this which is provided by these like leaf springs and centering devices. These are used as locators and a leaf spring to put pressure on the assembly on the inside to hold pressure on this bypass valve, not bypass, anti-drain back valve flapper, okay? Very, very simple design on these. These two have like the same exact base plates, very similar. The one that has the most holes is going to be your AC Delco. It has a lot more rectangular style holes compared to the round style on these. These are all high flow, heavy duty rated filters, so they're going to be very similar in flow. I'm not going to get into those details, but I just wanted to point out, you know, the filter media is going to be the biggest thing. These are all synthetic, and they vary in color, okay? You can't just say that, you know, this is a paper filter because it looks darker. It actually is a synthetic filter. And the synthetic ones usually are a lighter color compared to a darker color like this Bosch. But this one, I believe, is also a synthetic media, okay? You have to do research, look at the box, see if it says it on there, or look up the website and look up the manufacturer information and do some research on that. But these here are just a basic rundown of the premium oil filters that I've used a lot of these here on my vehicles, and I endorse them. I'm really happy with the performance on these. So, like I said, check out my other video. I have all sorts of, I have 15 actually, different oil filters, including these right here that I go down, you know, a disassembly road, and I just like take them apart with a cutoff tool. And as you can see, they're all opened up, and we take a look at the internals. But I wanted to do just a comparison between the premium filters, and these two filters are almost exactly the same. It's crazy because if they're made in the USA, it's very possible that they're made in the same exact factory or plant as other ones, okay? These, I believe, all are USA made with the exception of this one here, which is made in Mexico. Okay, the Bosch Premium, still a great filter, high quality filter, all metal construction. You know, you can't go wrong. They all come with silicone, you know, flappers, which is great. Silicone is going to be better than a nitrile material, okay, according to my research. As well as, actually, I want to touch on the spiral cores. So, during my research, I noticed that a lot of the manufacturers, they have a spiral core, which means a stamped piece of sheet metal in a spiral with a spiral rib going around the center. That's going to add rigidity to the center core, okay? So these all have it with the exception of the AC Delco. The AC Delco actually does this one? No, that's also a metal core, helical fashion spiral core. This is the only exception to that, and it's a plastic cage, okay? So the AC Delco would be the highest flow filter in this lineup right here, if that's important to you, okay? It has wide open windows, wide open internals exposed to the filter media. That way you can basically pump as much oil through this as possible. Now, is that as strong as, say, one of these spiral cores? I don't know. I would have to do a separate test. You'd have to pump a lot of pressure through these to really collapse them and see where they kind of like, you know, where the failure mode is at what PSI. But I think for a normal operation, anything under 100 PSI, these are not going to collapse, including this one here. That's just my guess, okay? My educated guess on that is that this thing is super rigid because of the amount of pleats and the stiffness in the filter media. But once it does get wet with oil, that could change, but I cannot crush this at all with my hand. So it is very strong. I would say, even though the design lends itself to a very high flow, you know, airy design, which allows a lot of fluid transfer through the filter media. So that's one big thing with the AC Delco, you know, that stands out upon all the others is that these four are spiral cored, and then the AC Delco has got that really open design on the inside on that internal support. But that's going to be it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out my other videos, and if you have any other questions or comments on oil filter related stuff, place them down below the video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.